Hey guys, right, today I'm here with a brand new subscription box. Can you believe it? It's number 53. What it's all about is the reveal wheel. Let's reveal what you get inside. So what we have got is a beautifully presented box, as you know by now. Over 200 elements, and it enables you to make a minimum of 18 cards. You've got a lovely welcome from Sarah, beautifully wrapped in the Crafter's Companion tissue paper, and we have got the box of delights. Now what we've got within here is 5 dies. They may look a bit strange, but these serve a purpose. You've got them. We've also got, that works in conjunction with the dies, is the stamps. Now with these stamps, you've got some icons, sentiments, and these little triangles that all serve the purpose as well. Not only that, we've got the blank cards, the subscription box. You get all the blank cards included, 18 of them, and these ones are 5 by 5. If you've got the card blanks, it means you need the envelopes. You've got them as well, 18 of them, 5 by 5. Then what we've got is this stencil. This little round stencil that will work in conjunction with the die and the stamps to create the reveal wheel. Then we're going to go in with the embellishments. This is where you've got satin ribbon here. Now you've got 3 colours. In total you've got 9 reels. You've got 6mm, 12mm and 19mm. Beautiful bright colours. Then what we're giving you is 100 dewdrops. Now you can colour them with your alcohol pens, and what you've also got is your 8 by 8 coloured cards. Now you get 18 sheets of these ones. You're getting 6 colours, but you're getting 3 of each. So you're getting more of what I'm showing you. These are the 6 colours that you're getting. And then last, but by no means least, what you're doing is you're going to be getting the printed papers. Also 8 by 8, also 18 sheets. You're getting 6 designs and you're getting 3 of each. I'm just showing you 1 of each design. These are matte as well as the colour card, which enables you to do your backgrounds, enables you to do your mats and layers. You can ink with them. With this being all about the reveal wheel, this gives you that wheel motion. So with the stamps that you've got included, you can have different sentiments that pop through the aperture. If you want to make them on larger cards, you can. If you want to do easels, you can. Twisted easels, you can. Simple cards, you can. The main thing is you can do them all using our brand new subscription box, which is number 53, and it's all about the reveal wheel.